What's going on, team? Today's exercise of the week is a dumbbell man maker, or what I like to call bitch makers. All right, so this is a fantastic full body lung burner. It's a quick and dirty workout, or a quick and dirty exercise. It's almost like a broken down weighted burpee. I know, sounds awful. It is, but it's better than doing a burpee, in my opinion. Okay, so how do you do it? First, you're going to have two dumbbells. Okay, what you're going to do is curl, squat, press, go down onto the ground, kick your feet out, push up, bring your feet in, stand up. That's one. Yeah, I know. A couple of modifications that you can do. So instead of jumping back, right? So you have a curl, squat, press, down onto the ground. So instead of jumping back, what you could do is step back and then push up. You can also go down to your knees, push up, come back, step forward, and then stand up. If you need to take that jump out of the equation, you can. All right? Give this a try. Let me know what you think. And if you have any other questions about this exercise, or if you have another exercise you want me to break down or coach you up on, drop them in the comments below and I'll add it to the list. Other than that, have a wonderful Tuesday.